we believe that the approvals will be happening in May. So we really accelerated this. We built a basically generic version of Avigan, which is a Japanese drug that has been used in Japan to treat influenza since 2014. And we built this facility in March. We started clinical trials with 330 patients. And you mentioned very promising results. It's a controlled study. So in the group that was not taking the drug, only 30% reduced virus to 0 in 5 days. So it's very promising results. And we expect for regulatory approval of this drug in May.
Good morning, sir. In terms of distribution of this drug, one of the key hurdles is obviously discovering a treatment that works, but the second hurdle is supplying that treatment and deciding how to allocate it. So how are you ramping up production of this drug, and where can we expect to see it should it get approval at the end of the month?
Well, first of all, I think Japan is really taking leadership on this, and Prime Minister Abe has been very supportive of this drug, and they shipped it for clinical testing to many countries. We just developed a generic version of this, and we believe we can produce 600,000, for 600,000 patients a year. So definitely it has to be a multi-country effort. For what we've seen so far, we believe this drug is the most promising candidate to really play a big role. You mentioned plasma. Plasma can also play a big role, but we believe that this is an international effort, and that's why we are sharing our results a bit early, because the final clinical trials will be completed in the next 2 weeks. But we definitely see that the drug is efficient, and it confirms the Chinese study that showed that the time on the virus gets reduced with this drug from 11 days to 4 days. That was the results of the Chinese clinical trial.